Vridhvesh Finance presenting Europanel Product Limited IPO 2021. And yes, this company is from the SME sector. Okay, so we are going to talk about the company, and yes, in that case we are going to focus what are their every year what they exactly did it. 2014 they have changed the name from Archer Trading Housing Private Limited to Europanel Product Private Limited. 29 they have got a certification ISO 9001 20015 issued by TUV India Private Limited. 2020 exclusive contract with Euramax. 2021 issue of one of the export house, one start export house certification by Industry of Commerce and Industry. 2021 annual member of Indian Green Building Council. 2021 Eurobond receive approval from leading oil corporation of their India Pan India Retail Visual Identity. 2021 Eurobond receive approval by Fashion House for its visual identity on retail location across India. 2021 Eurobond receive approval e-vehicle brand for their pan-India retail visual identity. 2021 changed their name Europanel Product Private Limited to Europanel Product Limited. So their group of company is Rajesh Multi-Trade Private Limited, Divya Ply Agency Private Limited, Rajesh and Shah HUF, Nexon Board LLP, Europanel Industry LLP, Divya Pain. So this is all about the company. Europanel Product Limited company detail. Company has registered Archer Trading House Private Limited in 2013, 18 December. They have changed their new name on October 22nd, 2014 as a Europanel Product Private Limited, and they have got new certificate September 2021 as a Europanel Product Limited. From Private Limited to Limited, that is their changes. They're based in Register Office 702 7th floor Aravali Business Center, Ramdas Sutrale Road, Borivali West, Mumbai 400092, Maharashtra, India. And for further information log on eurobondacp.com. Okay, so Europanel Product Limited IPO detail. IPO opening date 14 December 2021. IPO closing date 16 December 2021. Issue type fixed price issue 10 rupees per equity share. IPO price 70 per equity share. 2000 shares market lot. Minimum order quantity 2000 shares and listing at NSE and SME. Okay, so here we are going to talk about this company little bit more, because this company looks really experienced one as comparing the way they say that they have changed their name and etc. So here we are going to talk about the company too. Thank you by Vridhvesh Finance, and we are going to talk about basically this company is having a 19-year experience, 300 products, 300 employee, 1,50,000 projects. And yes, they are providing Eurobond basically into high quality long lasting panel. Eurobond has been undisputed leader in manufacturing and supplying aluminum composite panel in India across the globe. The company under the flagship of Europanel Product Limited, and this is providing ACP sheet and innovation metal composite panel to various industry sector and including residential and commercial building for more than a decades. So based in India, more than 19 years of company headquartered in Mumbai. It's a factory in Umargaon, and efficiently cater to global clientele and ensure fastest delivery. It has installed capacity producing 20,000 square meter ACP every day, thereby making reliable ACP company in India. Supply ACP cladding, aluminum cladding, ACP panel and solid aluminum composite sheets. Do you aware there are number of if you see there are number of projects they have did it. We are going to, and they are participating in expos too. And if you see this company having a large amount of client portfolio like Metro, Metro Shoe, Wipro, Amazon, then Bhartiya Viman Pradhikaran, Adani Power, AIMS, Delhi, Kalpataru, Baggers, CPWD, Indian Oil, K. Raheja, Larsen and Torbro, Mahanagar Gas Limited, Max, then Nama, Metro, NMM, then Reebok, Tata Motors, Indian Railway, Adani Power Limited, Sidco. So these are their client portfolio. Means they are capturing large amount of business from this company. If you see sky high buildings, those buildings are nowadays using aluminum sheet over any kind of what we can say the building material structure which is used traditionally. So nowadays they are having a product aluminum composite panel, HPL, FRACP, aluminum honeycomb. So this is for corporate identity, interior designer. See, if you want to design the amazing infrastructure in natural calamities, you should use metallic one, as we say.